Hare Krishna. Welcome all of you. Today we are going to memorize shlokas for Bhakti Shastri course, Bhagavad Gita Module 2. Chapter 7, verse number 5. अपरेमितास्त्वन्यां प्रकृतिं विद्धि मे परां जीवभूतां महाबाहो ययेदं धार्यते जगत्. Besides these, O mighty armed Arjuna, there is another superior energy of mind which comprises the living entities who are exploiting the resources of this material inferior nature. Verse 7.14 Devi hi esha gunamayi mama maya duratyaya mamev ye prapadyante maya metam tarantite. This divine energy of mind, consisting of the three modes of material nature, is difficult to overcome, but those who have surrendered unto me can easily cross beyond it. Verse 7.19 Bahunam janmanam ante jnanman mama prapadyate vasudevah sarvam iti se mahatma sudurlabha. After many births and deaths, he who is actually in knowledge surrenders unto me, knowing me to be the cause of all causes and all that is. Such a great soul is very rare. Verse 8.5 अंतकाले च मामेव स्मरण मुक्त्वा कलेवरम यह प्रयाति स मद्भावम याति न अस्ति अत्र संशयः. And whoever at the end of this life quits his body remembering me alone at once attains my nature. Of this there is no doubt. Verse 8.16 आब्रह्म भुवनालोकः पुनरावर्तिनो अर्जुनः मामुपेत्य तु कौन्तेय पुनर्जन्म न विद्यते. From the highest planet in the material world down to the lowest, all are places of misery, wherein repeated birth and death take place. But one who attains to my abode, O son of Kunti, never takes birth again. Verse 9.2 Rajvidya Rajguhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratyakshavagamam Dharmyam Susukham Kartum Avyayam. This knowledge is the king of education, the most secret of all secrets. It is the purest knowledge, and because it gives direct perception of the self by realization, it is the perfection of religion. It is everlasting and it is joyful performed. Verse 9.4 Maya tatam idam sarvam jagat avyakt murtina matasthani sarva bhutani nachaham teshu avasthitah. By me, in my unmanifested form, this entire universe is pervaded. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. Verse 9.14 Satatam kirtayanto mam yatantasya dradavratah namasyantasya mam bhaktya nitya yuktaha upasate. Always chanting my glories, endeavoring with great determination, bowing down before me, these great souls perpetually worship me with devotion. Verse 9.25 Yanti devavrata devan pitran yanti pitravrataha bhutani yanti bhuteja yanti madhyajino apimam. Those who worship the demigods will take birth among the demigods. Those who worship the ancestors go to the ancestors. Those who worship ghosts and spirits will take birth among such beings, and those who worship me will live with me. Verse 9.26 Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadham bhakti upratam ashnami priyat atmanah. If one offers me with love and devotion a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or water, I will accept it. Verse 9.27. Yat karoshi yadashnashi yajjuhoshi dadasi yat tapasyasi kaunteya tat kurush mad arpanam. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer or give away, and whatever austerities you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. 9.29. Aham sarvabhuteshu नामे द्वेषो अस्ति न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मयि ते तेषु चाप्यहम्. I envy no one, nor I am partial to anyone. I am equal to all. But whoever renders service unto me in devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am also a friend to him. Verse 10.8. Aham sarvasya prabhavo mattah sarvam pravartate iti matva bhajante mam buddha bhava samanvitaha. I am the source of all spiritual and material worlds. Everything emanates from me. The wise who perfectly knows this engage in my devotional service and worship me with all their hearts. Verse 10.10. तेषां सततयुक्तानां भजतां प्रीतिपूर्वकं ददामि बुद्धियोगं तं येन मामो उपयान्ति ते. To those who are constantly devoted to serving me with love, I give the understanding by which they come to me. Thank you very much. Hope you will learn all the verses with meaning nicely. Thank you. We will meet soon to learn Module 3 verses. Hare Krishna.